Experience the upcoming Air Jordan 11 H-Town, a rare regional release that brings a fresh twist to Jordan Brand's holiday lineup. Dropping November 22nd, this Houston-exclusive colorway marks the 30th anniversary of the legendary Air Jordan 11, honoring its 1995 heritage while tapping into H-Town's culture of hustle, customization, and iconic card trunk styling. Jordan Brand delivers a premium build featuring a tan suede upper, icy Arctic blue outsole, crisp white lining, and a standout metallic silver Jumpman on the collar. While classics like the Concord, Bred, and Space Jam didn't return this year, this special edition AJ11 fills that gap with fresh energy and a story rooted in the heart of Houston. Retailers are gearing up for the release, and with an MSRP of $255, these will be highly sought after. Stay locked in for updates, early looks, and store lists so you don't miss this exclusive drop.